this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord won't open in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Discord refuses to launch on Windows 11, whether it's stuck looping on an updating screen, spinning a grey window, or doing absolutely nothing when you double-click the desktop shortcut, the cause is usually a dead background process latching onto the update module or a corrupted app cache folder. Now, you can purge these hung system blocks and force your chat dashboard to open in under 60 seconds. So if Discord was closed impromptu, its background modules can stay stuck in your system memory. So all you want to do is open up your task manager, then go onto processes, then look for Discord. Now, if Discord is, showing up or anything like that, all you want to do is right click on it, and then you're going to want to go ahead and press end task and try and open it again to see if it opens up cleanly. Now, if that doesn't work, what we're going to do is press Windows key and R, and then we want to type in %app_data% like so, and then press enter. It's going to open up this folder right here. Then locate your Discord folder, which is going to be right there. Right click it, and then you just want to go ahead and delete. And what you can also do is then go over to local app data and locate the Discord folder in that as well and delete it over there too. And then try and go ahead and open up Discord again, and it should work fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.